Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode, this is going to be a learning curve. As you begin to do something, doesn't matter whatever you're doing, if you're learning something, it's always going to be a mistakes that you're going to make, but it's always the lesson that you learn from it. That's the most important part and not what you lose. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this company here is called Face Drive. So let me go down here. The company is called Face Drive, and what they do, they're delivering company. It's a Canadian company that I had bought before. I think it was around $10. I ended up selling around $15, and it went up as high as I think around $50. And out of nowhere, this company really started dropping a lot, like from I think $15 all the way down to 88 cents. And when I saw it at 88 cents, I said I was gonna buy some, but I didn't end up buying at 88 cents. I guess I forgot about what I was doing, and time passed by. And then when I looked at it again, it already went up to $2.06. So I was monitoring it, so I was gonna buy some. So I ended up buying some at $2.60, which within a couple hours it went up to $4. The highest went was $4.80. I should have sold it, but I was on the road and I wasn't paying attention. I didn't get a chance to sell it. And since then, it was lodging around $3, but I figured it's gonna go back to the high again to at least 4 something, and I'll sell it. I set it up, but it never sold. And then since then, I've been watching it and been dropping slowly. And what happened was, it really did drop. So I tried to average down a little bit, I bought a little bit more, and it just kept dropping. So today it dropped so much that it's $1.44 now. And I think when I first got $2 over here, $2.60 something cent, but since then I averaged down a little bit to get my average down to $2.33 now. But if you can see here now, just today alone I'm down 24%. So this stock is very volatile. It just go up and down like it's crazy how in a minute it'll be up like 50%, it drops down. So you can see that my loss so far here is $2. My loss so far here is $202 right now and 85 cents. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna hold on to it and see if it go back up, and I will sell it, get my money back. Or I'm looking to see if it can go under $1, and if it go under $1, I'm gonna buy some more to average it down to get my average to at least say $1.50 or something. So if we get back to $2, I'll be able to get my money out. So this is the reason why I always preach to buy the best companies that will withstand whatever is going on. If the market is doing good or doing bad, it's always going to average out itself. It might go down, but it won't go down as much as this. That's the only reason why I keep preaching buy good companies, buy growth companies, buy some dividend paying companies. That's one of the great companies. They will come back eventually. But companies like this, I can't guarantee that it's going to go back up. It's a good chance it will go back up, but if you ask me when, I have no idea when it's going to go back up, but it could go back up. So this video was just to explain how when you don't buy the best companies, it's always a kind of gambling and you could lose your money. So this is not like a big deal because it's not that much money in here. So when I was putting the money in there, I knew that I was ready to lose the money. Just in case I lose it, I'll be okay with it. So that's what I always say, if you're going to gamble with any stock, you go up the part of the gambling part and you go the investing part. Investing part is when you do your research and you know the company is solid and you buy in the long term, you know in the long term you're going to come out on top compared to just taking a chance trying to make a quick buck here and there. But when it went up to $4, if I sold it, it would have been up $200, but instead I'm down $200 right now. But I believe it's going to go up, and if you get yourself in this situation and it comes this low, what you do is just buy more to average down your average price over here. So when you average it, say I were to buy another like 200 shares right now on 88 cents, I'd probably pay like $180, and at this point my average price would probably come to like $1 something. So if you go up to $2 or even $1.50, I'll be able to sell and so get my money back. That's the best way to do it. But if you're gonna do that too, also remember you can also lose all your money too. But this just a learning curve that you gotta learn. It happens to everybody. It doesn't matter what you do in life, whatever you're doing. It's always gonna be those hurdles that you're gonna have to find your way around or jump over. And this is one of them. And this is the reason why I always stick to the best stocks that I know they're gonna be around for a long time. Whether they have the moat of brand moat or the toll bridge moat, whatever it is, those are the best companies to stick with. So bye for now. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and leave your comment on the bottom what you would do if you find yourself in a situation like this.